Silapadikaram. Silapadikaram, the tale of an antlet, the tale of immense love, the tale of immense passion, the tale of two hearts and a love triangle and of revenge. This 2nd century classic from the Tamil literature, Silapadikaram, written by Ilango Alyan, has been adapted to dance, and the narrative has been for the English lyrics and instrumental music as a musical ballet. This was conceptualized by Srimati Lalita Das, a very well-known connoisseur and the president of Bangalore Club for Kathakali Arts. And her daughter, Meena Das, has adapted the storyline from the original classic to English lyrics. When I conceptualized dance for this, I picturized and dreamt like a canvas of various dance forms in instrumental music, essentially, with English voiceovers as narratives. The audience could expect a grand, royal picture of dances spread on the stage like a canvas. The story is a very interesting love triangle. In this choreographic work, I have introduced various styles of dance with Kuchipudi as the base. The characters are presented in the classical dance style with emphasis on drama. Various styles of classical dance, Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, Odissi, Kathak and Kathakali, are interwoven to bring out the drama. The aspect of love and possession has been brought out in the two characters that are important to the play, Kannagi and Madhavi. Kannagi, the wife of Kovalan, and Madhavi is the royal dancer. In the final scene, when Kannagi comes to the court of King of Madurai and asks for justice when her husband Kovalan would have been killed, King, when he confesses his mistake for wrong judgment, Kannagi's anger is shown in Kuchipudi style, and Kathakali is introduced to show the fire gods. The most impactful final scene is brought out in beautiful manner with the Kathakali style. Kathakali, 4 Kathakali dancers coming in as fire gods and helping Kannagi to put fire to Madurai. The lighting and the stagecraft are world class in this production. More emphasis is given for the display of all the scenes through the sets at the back through an LED screen. This was for the first time introduced for my production. I had no clue about how an LED screen could be used for Uddipanas. Uddipana meaning the stage sets. It was an interesting work to bring in different visuals on LED screen and dance before it as the sets. A 3-dimensional effect was seen in the audience through this LED display and the dances. The music was composed by Praveen D. Rao, lyrics by Meena Das, and choreographed by me.
The stealthy moon makes way for the intrusive sun's presence. As elephants are bathed and decorated to parade the roads, and drummers take out their vests in brocade, secret pavilion. Pearls, gems, and diamonds stud the towering pillars.
Jeno jeno dhimi dhimi kita tadi kukun tadi ta jeno jeno ta dhimi dhimi ta kita tadi ta kukun tadi ta.
Your Highness! Your Highness! I have caught the thief who stole the Queen's anklet.
किमेवं प्रतिरुद्धं न्यायं दीयते पश्येदम्
Madurai is my hometown, but today it was a pleasure to watch it burn. I've seen this Kannagi many times staged, but today I will say it's par excellence and unbeatable. It was superb. And I can see the amount of effort that must have gone in. And with everything went with perfection. I was only surprised at the speed with which they're changing their dresses. So I think Mira and her associates deserve a wonderful, thunderous congratulations. Thank you.
I thank Bangalore Club for Kathakali Arts for giving me this wonderful opportunity to choreograph this, to put all that I knew into this, and I learned more from this. Thank you very much, Lalita Dasji, Meena Dasji, and all you audience. You have been wonderful today. For the first time for my program, I saw an overflowing crowd, which is beautiful. Thank you so much. 3 cheers for the audience today. Thank you so much, and I immensely thank the Chaudhaya people because they gave me the basement to rehearse for almost 3 months, all the time, whether it was early in the morning or in the night. We would come and rehearse. They have been so cooperative, and all night long we put the lights. We were awake till 4, and this was possible because of their support. Thank you so much, Chaudhaya Memorial Hall, for this.